how you can save up to $100 or more on your Costco purchases, including oil, gas, and everyday essentials. So let's get started. Just start by doing a basic Google search for Costco promo code or Costco discount code. Google will show you results from different coupon websites like RetailMeNot, Groupon, and coupons.com. After you do so, after searching, visit trusted coupon websites that list valid codes. These sites update frequently, so you might find limited time promotions for Costco or oil services. While Costco rarely offers direct promo codes, you may find specific discounts or promotions on gas, oils, and other services as well. Then, after you do that, all you have to do is simply tap on the code and paste it while checking out from Costco. Now, scroll down and look for the valid code or code according to your preferences and tap on it and copy and paste it. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.